In this video, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT not generating responses. Let's get started. First, I click on the search bar in the middle of the ChatGPT dashboard. I enter a long query asking for a beginner-friendly skill to earn money online, including an explanation of its value, a proficiency timeline, and a 30-day learning plan. After typing, I click the up arrow icon to send the message. As I scroll down through the response, we can see it provides a detailed timeline and a 15-day learning plan structure. Now, I want to edit my prompt. I scroll back up, hover over the message, and click the pencil icon to edit. I select the text, 30-day, and change it to 15-day. Once updated, I click the Send button. ChatGPT personalizes the new request, thinks for a few seconds, and begins generating a revised response based on the updated 15-day preference. If this doesn't fix the issue, let's try another method. I scroll to the top of the browser and click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu. I select New Incognito window to open a fresh browser session. In the address bar, I type ChatGPT and press Enter. From the Google search results, I click the main link for ChatGPT. This opens the ChatGPT interface in incognito mode. I click the Log In button in the top right corner. From the login options, I choose Continue with Google. On the Sign In page, I click the input field, enter my email address, and click Next. Then, I type in my password and click Next again. The browser redirects and logs me into a clean ChatGPT session where the previous error might be resolved. If you are still experiencing issues, we can try clearing the browser data. I click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner again, move down to Clear Browsing Data, and click it. This opens the Settings tab with a pop-up window. I make sure All Time is selected from the drop-down menu, review the checked options including browsing history and cached images, and click the blue Delete Data button. After a moment, the data is removed. I close the Settings tab to return to ChatGPT. Finally, if the issue persists, check your extensions. I click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner, hover over Extensions, and click Manage Extensions. I scroll down to look at my active extensions. If you have a VPN extension active, like this one at the bottom, toggle the blue switch to turn it off. This can help resolve connection drops affecting response generation. I close the Extensions tab, and we are back on the working ChatGPT interface. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.